Kai honge lahi e tau laua. A laua. Honge ki sia mata.
Give the alpha smegma.
Whakaalo whātu makau, whakaolahi mai ke ono mai, ki whanahaku. Whiwhilahi au e aho nei, e aho whanau e tamawhina haku, ko Andy, hiwa e tau. Whakao e whoki ke tau subscribers, mo tau viewers, whiwhilahi au, mai ke Matutaki e YouTube channel haku. Sup peeps, just my daughter's birthday, just did a few videos. Hope you enjoy the video. Shout out to all the subscribers. Love the comments, keep them coming. Appreciate all the love and everything. Haya, whakawalahi tō leo ke Matutaki. Haya, ke monuina. Record this. Yeah, yo.
I haven't had these for like 2 years.
For real?
That's the last time we were here.
Man.
You can't get them over there unless they've been frozen.
Oh. Ooh. Kei te aha tēnā.
Hey.
Kei te hei. Kei te aha tēnā. Oh.
Mairu.
Mairu! Ei loa. Oh, got a hit. Hello, Andy. Happy birthday.
29. Thank you.
How you feeling?
I'm good.
Oh, who's in Bermuda? Kingy. You're in India. Man, I was thinking going for a haircut this morning with us.
Whai kupu for Andy's birthday.
Koe koa whiriwe pongi nai ke kaira nai a Sione mo te leo. Koe whakarataha mai a mautou ai mo nai, mo Mari, Sandy, mo John, mo Madofine a te leo. Mo e hana tau whanau. Ke whakamanau tau e a whanau a indi ko tu ai whihi tau maoni.
Kiwa.
Tu te hiwe tau a indi ko e tama whiwhine ke ua ia John mo te leo. Ko e tokotou re tama John ko Uruaki ko Ariana, Indi e tu e waru tau, si ko Pantutane tama whakahiku o Jackson. Aia, ko walahi i ma fisi whakaralahi tau tama, aia mo mari whoki ko a Kamata whoki tau unu maua ke o mai ke sea e tau tau rau unu. Kai whewhe ka hao, me via ni o ni ki mua e monoi. Koe rewa e ke ohi cruise.
Yeah.
Ke wae atu Pasifika, koe o ni hita Pacific Islands, ki Fiji, Tonga, Samoa. Ayu haki niwe, just pass through. Si ririu mai. Ke whakamana tua ke... What's that thing for? O whakamana tua e whinunga furu he tau he matofi whine. Ko mari he... Ko tū te he a onu ia me. Yeah, ko mōre tai. Mōre tai ko whitunga furu fōki tua ia. Aia, rioki ni ke tua ke... Riveki mea tau tau roisa, rioki whirewe ia koene ia.
Whakaoe. Whaikupu.
Whakalawhai atu i wan, marawira e aho whanau hao. Andy, happy 9th birthday.
Whakaoe.
Whakalawhai atu, Andy, marawira e aho whanau hao kia. Whaki atu atua e siro malolo mo e ilo ke whanau ka ke haonga ke ilo ma Andy. Ia, marawira e aho whanau kia.
Whakaoe.
Hey, happy birthday, Andy. Hope you have a beautiful day, which you are, and you did yesterday. And I just love you so much. And just keep being you, sharing your beautiful colour everywhere, wherever you go, and may you grow in both favour of God and man, and just walk the walk that I just pray that you have a really good relationship with God. Well, yes. Thank you.
Whakaolahi. Yeah. Whalu tangata, whalu Magafaoa haku. Hau mole, mole. Ei loe.
E tūrā.
E tūlā. Pese ni ai tupe. Ia. Ia. Moho te e tau kai. Honge lahi e tau laua. Alaua. Honge kisia mata. Vale lahi. Ah, piko. Aonge wanga hau niwe. Just aonge wanga hau niwe. Ya. Kisia, ya. Ah.
Morning.
Wait. Ya. Si. Ya. Holo. Si, vale lahi e patuna.
Happy birthday, Andy. Thank you for always being the best sister. Even though we do fight sometimes, I love you and I will always support you and hope you have a good birthday.
Yo.
Kia ora, Andy. Just want to wish you a happy birthday from my whānau to your whānau. I'm very proud of who you are and I am very excited of who you are growing to become. You have a lot of energy and a lot of positive energy, and every time that we're around you, you bring so much love, and we're just very excited to see the future in you because you're just such a beautiful young lady, and I just want to say thank you for coming into our lives as well, because you just bring so much light and positivity, and we love you.
Yep.
My favourite niece. Sorry, thank you so much.
Hailey, happy birthday.
Hope you have a really great birthday and a good day to continue your good
Is that it? Oh, frick. Happy birthday, Andy. Hope you have a good ninth birthday, and we'll see you at your 10th.
Oh, yo, that's good, man. That's good. Yeah.
Oi.
Hi guys, it's the end of the day. It's 6 o'clock, like literally straight 6 o'clock. Everybody left and I loved it so much, and I hope everybody had a good time, and I'm really thankful that they came. What do you want to say? Hope you have a good birthday. You're my favorite sister. You're my favorite sister. What do you want to say? Andy, you're my favorite sister. No, say you're my favorite sister. You're my favorite sibling, unlike someone else. Anyways, happy birthday, Andy. I love you. Hope you have a good birthday, and please share your candy. Please share your candy, and thank you for always being there for me. And I'm really proud of you with your gymnastics. And please don't zoom into my face again. I'm really grateful for the appreciate. I really appreciate you for the feedback. And yeah, bye. Give the alpha smigma. Toki yako